Hey guys, it's your girl Miss Annie J, and I am here to review this wig. I mean, guys, it's a headband wig and it is giving me so much life. Like, this is what the back looks like. Guys, I hope I caught that in the camera. Did I? Am I catching it in the camera? Many of you will know that my hair is relaxed. I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if it's my age or what. I have gotten to the point where I can't be asked with anything, which is terrible. You guys know I don't relax my hair often. It's almost 6 months now since I've relaxed my own natural hair, right? It's such a whole process and situation. Natural hair for me was more difficult to maintain, but even the relaxing now, I'm getting tired. So I was like, right, that's it. I'm gonna get myself a decent everyday wig that I can wear. Now, the reason why I like this wig, guys, and before I get into it, let me tell you what it is. So if you're interested, I will provide a link to the wig below in the description. It's not sponsored. So if you go ahead and buy it, I don't have a discount code. I don't get anything if you purchase one. I'm just sharing this information for other black women who feel like me and are tired of having to do stuff with their hair all the time, don't have time for it, and you just want something where you can get up and go. This is that wig, guys. So without further ado, this wig is the pressed headband wig in 16 inches, and it is by Ruka Hair. So you guys have seen me do a video on a ponytail that I purchased from Ruka Hair as well, and I show how I, do that whole process of slicking my hair and everything. That ponytail is by this same company where I have purchased this wig. Now, the reason why I decided to go for this wig, number one, it's not a frontal or any of that stuff. It is a headband wig. So if you are at the point where you still are fortunate enough to have your edges, right? Even if you don't have edges, this can still work for you. So as you can see, let me get closer. You can see my edges are there, right? Okay. And what I done when I put this headband wig on, I put it on, it's got 2 clips at the back. And I literally when I say it's got 2 clips at the back, it's like when you wear your bra, for instance. It's the same sort of mechanism, right, to tighten it. So if I show you, this is what my edges are looking like. And this is why I like this wig, because guys, I don't have time to mess about with glue, whatever people use to put down their lace frontals and stuff like that, even maintaining those sort of wigs. This one comes off before I go to bed. Okay, in the morning I just brush my hair neatly, whack on my wig cap, whack this on, and I just push it back a little bit so that it does show my edges, which makes it look like it's my hair. Now, it is very voluminous, okay? It's thick. My natural hair is not this thick, although the texture of this hair is like my hair when my hair is relaxed. It's just that this hair is thicker. So I like it because I don't have to mess about with frontal edges and glue and all of that type of thing. This is a get up and go wig. The second reason why I like it is because it is like black afro hair that is, you could say it's either been straightened or relaxed. Okay, so it looks more realistic in terms of it looks like my hair. I have got the fancy Brazilian and them type of wigs somewhere under my bed because I don't bother anymore. And the things that I don't necessarily like about those particular wigs is they don't look natural and realistic. They are very sort of European influence. Now, with this particular wig, this looks like what black women's hair looks like if you are fortunate enough for your hair to get to this length and be this thick. This is what our hair looks like. And there are plenty of women who actually have hair that looks like this for real, growing out of their scalp. And that is why, for me, it is a win. How much did I pay for it? I think I paid... Oh, I'm going to have to check. I've forgotten. I think I paid about... It was between 200 to 300 pounds, okay, thereabouts. I had pre'd this wig. If you don't know what pre means, it means I was checking it out like last year when I actually bought the ponytail that you guys have seen me wear in one of my videos. And the reason why I didn't get it at the time is because I was like, how does a headband wig actually work? because I'm so used to just seeing, you know, frontals and 360s and all of that. But I went back on their website a couple of weeks ago and people had left a review. There was one particular lady that had a review on there, and she had like a really short video clip of her wearing the wig. And when I looked at it, I was like, do you know what? This wig is actually, it's kind of nice. So I'm going to bite the bullet and I'm going to get it. I don't regret it at all. I can straighten it, I can curl it. At this point, I've actually put hair tongues in it. That is why I've got a bit of a loose wave curl pattern going on. When the wig comes, it comes straight. All right, and I will pop a picture so you can see that right here. So this is what the wig looked like when immediately taking out the box, putting it on. That is how it was looking. It was just dead straight. When I decided to wear it out for the first time, I decided to put just like really loose big curls in it with my hair straighteners. Now that I'm growing in confidence in wearing this my wig, I have now started to use my hair tongue to really put the curls in it, because I know the curls will start to, because it's real hair, so because I know the curls will start to loosen up. At least when they loosen up, it'll be straight with a kink rather than just being dead straight, because I don't really like that look. And the hair is quite thick, so if it is just dead straight, it doesn't look as nice in my personal opinion. I can't rave about this wig enough. If you have been looking for a wig, don't have to fluff about with all the baby hairs, because that's another thing I cannot take. I'm not interested in doing baby hairs. I don't have time for it. I barely have time to even brush my own hair. I don't have time to come and decorate the corners and crevices of the front of my hair. Not going to happen. Ladies, this wig is a game changer. I decided to do a review on it because I thought this wig is too nice to not do a review, and I might as well make use of my YouTube channel and share this information. I mean, it is literally like when my hair is relaxed. It literally is. Ladies, what I would suggest and advise is that you make a purchase before this wig starts to blow up and get really popular. Because what I find is when there is a lot of demand for something, it gives the manufacturers and the companies the confidence and boost to also up their prices. So purchase one now whilst the price is the price, or you can see if there's discount codes or if they go on sale, what have you. I would recommend, if you really like it, get it whilst it is not as in demand. Okay, my video is probably not necessarily going to help with that. We are trying to avoid hike prices in this current climate. Like I have said, I am not sponsored to give this review. Company don't know that I've even put in this review up. But I am so happy with this wig. I can let my hair just grow underneath. But during the day, this will serve me nicely for work, for events, meeting up with my friends. I could just throw this on, I'm at my house, and I can go about my business. Ladies, go check out Ruka Hair, okay? They specialize in hair for black women, and they have all different types of hairs, clip-ins, ponytails, they've got wigs, they have got the whole shebang. I was skeptical about getting a headband wig, but I am very, very glad that I did. And this wig, you are going to see me in it very frequently in my videos now. It has made my life so much easier. I'll just come a bit closer. Let me just show you. So hopefully you guys can see that. Yeah, it is such good hair, honestly. Let me turn this way. So this is what the back is looking like. Yeah. One thing I will say also is I saw in quite a running pattern in quite a few of the reviews, women had mentioned that they felt that the headband was a bit too big, because I think it does only come in one size. But that is just one thing to be mindful of. I've got quite a big head, so I'm quite lucky, because when I, you know, put it on, it just fitted perfectly. It's the right level of tightness. It's not stopping my blood circulation, and it just fits nicely. So that is something to consider before you do get one. If you know how to shorten the straps or to do something to make it smaller, then start to think about that ahead of purchasing one, because if you do have a smaller than average head, then you might experience what these other ladies have said about the fact that they feel the headband is too big. So guys, I hope you have found this helpful. If you have any questions, let me know. I will pop the link to this wig in the description box below. It is not sponsored. I won't get any money, nothing if you go ahead and buy one. I literally just like this wig so much, and I wanted to share it with my sisters that are out there who feel like me and are tired of having to do things with their hair. And I will be back again to review probably I actually bought another ponytail, so I will do a review on that one as well. Guys, thank you so much for stopping by. If you're a veteran, I've got much love for you. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I have got much love for you guys. Thanks for sticking it out with me. And until next time, it is your girl, Miss Annie J. I'll see you guys again soon. Bye. Feeling on a melody, I'ma be your remedy. No time for the jealousy, this is just a gift to me. Sun is shining down on me, making juice so readily. Like tap, 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 tap. I'm a big bad B, shaking down the house on a rhythmic street.